Omnilogin is an all-in-one anti-detect solution for managing multiple accounts at scale. In this video, I will show you how to manage multiple Discord accounts using Omnilogin. First, select a group to store your profiles. Next, click New Profile. Here, you can use the Fast Create feature to generate multiple profiles simultaneously to match the number of accounts you need. Then, fill in the details such as the number of profiles and the group. For Discord accounts, using the right proxy is crucial. We recommend using residential proxies to minimize the risk of suspension. Select Custom, choose your proxy type, and paste the proxy into the proxy host field. The remaining proxy details will be autofilled. Next, select the browser kernel, operating system, and browser. In the Advanced Settings section, you don't need to change anything. Keeping the default settings is the best approach. Finally, click OK to complete the profile creation process. Once the profiles are ready, we need to log in. While you can use our automatic login process to log into multiple Discord accounts simultaneously to save time, in this demo, I'll manually log into each profile to show you how smoothly it works. After logging in, you can perform your desired tasks, for instance, using the Windows Multi-Control new feature to control multiple profiles simultaneously. Discover more tips and advanced features on our website and YouTube channel to start running multiple accounts today.